Are you looking for a barre class that's really going to challenge our inner and outer thighs? Well, today's class is just for you. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. Now, I have got a short barre class that's really going to target our inner and outer thighs. Not only do our inner and outer thighs get a fabulous earthquake shaking style workout, we'll also probably feel a little bit of strengthening through our upper body and our oblique muscles, those side tummy muscles. This is a short 10-minute class that's great for all levels. Remember, you can always take a pause if you need to. Roll out your mat. Let's get started. Let's begin standing with our fingertips by our side, starting to turn on our thut, our thigh-butt connection point, wrapping the tummy in, lifting out of the waist, reaching your ears higher. Take a nice big inhale, big breath out. Take a big inhale, reach your hands high. Exhale, flip the palms down. Tuck your chin to your chest, bend the knees, roll into an easy forward fold. Pause at the base of your forward fold and give your head a nod. Yes and no. Come back to center, roll all the way up again. Inhale, swim the hands nice and high. Exhale, flip the palms, push them down. Chin to chest, again, bend the knees. Slowly, forward fold, rolling down. Slowly rolling all the way up. One more time, big inhale, hands lift high. Exhale, flip the palms down. Chin to chest, bend the knees, one vertebra at a time, to your deepest forward fold, and then slowly roll yourself all the way back up. Stand tall and straight. Hopefully we feel maybe an inch taller. Just waking up that spine can be so nice. I'm going to turn to face you. You can face whatever direction you want to. We're going to take a nice wide second position, or just a wide stance with our toes turned out. Now before we go anywhere, start to really squeeze where your thigh and your glute connect. Hands can come to our hips or off to the side, but I want you to wrap your obliques in, those side tummy muscles. Try and lift out of the waist. Now take a great big inhale. Big breath out. 5 times. I want you to inhale, bend the knees, exhale, straighten. Inhale, bend the knees, exhale, straighten. 3 more, bend, squeeze the inner thighs together as you straighten. 2 more, down, great big straighten. Last time. Straighten and pause. Reach the fingertips further away. Pretend there's a table underneath your palms. Push down into the table to activate your arms. Now again, let's bend the knees and hold right there. Wrap the tummy in, lift your ears higher. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, I want you to pull your hands together. Inhale, slide them open. Exhale, pull the hands together. Slide them open. Now as we move our arms, pretend there's peanut butter around you. Also, think about your thighs, the back of our legs, trying to reach to the wall behind me. I'm not letting my knees knock in. I'm pushing them open and out. 2 more. Exhale, pull. Inhale, open. Last one in. Open, pause. From here, sit just a little deeper. I want you to pick up your heel 5 times. Just the right heel. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause, navel to spine, open up across the chest, just your left heel 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause, navel in, reach the fingertips longer away. Right heel for 3, 3, 2, 1, pause, sit deeper. Left heel 3, 3, 2, 1, pause, sit deeper. Singles on our right and left, back and forth. Right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel. You got it. Keep reaching the fingertips further away. 2 more sets. Last one. Now both heels down, pause, take a big inhale. Exhale, straighten, squeeze the inner thighs together. This time lift both heels up, drop both heels down. Lift both heels up, drop both heels down. Squeeze your thigh butt connection point. Reach your fingertips further away. For 3, 2, 1. Both heels down. Return to your great big second plie. Pause. Again, let's do 5 heel lifts to the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. 5 to the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. 3 to the right. 3, 2, 1 to the left. 3, 2, 1. Singles. Right, left, right, left. For 3 and 2. Last one. Now this time, lift your right heel, pause, keep your right heel lifted. Straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. For 3, 2, last one. Down, pause, right heel down, left up. We straighten and bend. Stand tall, return to plie. Up and down. 2 more. Last one, pause. Left heel down, right heel up. For 3, 2, 1, pause. Left heel up, right heel down. For 3, 2, 1, pause. Now just one up on the right, down, heel up. Up, down, heel up. Straighten, bend, drop the heel, lift the heel. Straighten, bend, drop the heel, lift the heel. 2 more sets, just like that. Last one right. Last one left. Now pause right there. Take a great big breath. Exhale, pull the arms together. Inhale, open them out. Exhale, pull the arms together. Inhale, open them out. 3 more, pull them in. Reach it out. 2 more, pull it in, reach it out. Last one in, reach it out, pause. Hold right there. Flip the palms up to the sky, reach the fingertips further away. I want you to take a little stretch over to the right. Drop your right hand down to your right knee. Almost push your right knee away, reach your fingertips further away. Take a full big inhale. Now use your tummy muscles, pull yourself right back up. Again, flip the palms. Take your stretch over to the left. I am reaching my fingertips up. I am pulling open my shoulders. Big inhale. Exhale, come on back up. Right, over. Exhale, cinch the waist up. Left, over. Exhale, cinch the waist up. Right, stretch. Exhale, cinch and lift. Left, stretch. Exhale, cinch and lift. 1 more to the right. 1 more to the left. Pause. Keep the palms up to the sky. Take a great big inhale. Both heels lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Navel in. Reach the fingertips away. 3, 2, 1. Pause. Take a breath. Just 1 time up, 1 time down. This time lift, hold, straighten the legs. Hold right there. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Lift your ears a little higher. Reach your fingertips further away. Take a full big inhale. Keep the heels lifted. Can you sit back down into your plie? Straighten. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Squeeze your thigh butt connection point. Bend the knees back down. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Rise up. Reach the fingers away. Sit back down. 2 more. Up we go. Exhale, down. Last one. Up we go. Last time down. Pause. Heels down. Heels up. Hold. Pause there. 3 times. 3, 2, 1. Pause. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Both heels down. Stand tall. Relax. Shake anything out. We're going to turn to face, or I'm going to turn to face the front. You can face whatever way you want. Fingertips by your side. Take a moment to lift up and out of the waist. Big inhale. Chin to chest. Bend the knees. Roll all the way down to the ground. Now this time let's pause here. Nod the head yes. Shake it no. And then bend and roll all the way up to standing. Take your hands high overhead, big stretch. Exhale, flip the palms, tuck the chin to the chest, bend the knees, roll all the way down to the ground. Pause. Nod the head. Shake it yes and no. 1 more time. Up we go. Big stretch, hands lift high. Exhale, flip the palms. Last time. Forward fold and hold. Now from here, let's set our knees onto the ground. Point the toes together, reach the knees apart, and take a child's pose. Find that nice big stretch. Push your hips back to your heels. Curl the fingers further away. Full big inhale. Big breath out. Slowly roll yourself up. Let's step our right foot forward. Keep the left foot behind you. Doesn't have to be the biggest, deepest lunge. Lift out of the waist. Take your left hand high. Rotate the pinky and grow an inch taller and stretch over to your right. Squeeze your thigh on your left side and maybe bend the knee. You might find you need to crawl the toes a little further forward to deepen your lunge if you so choose. From here, take both hands around your front foot. Pause. Push the front of your pubic bone closer to your right heel. Find that big deep stretch there. And then push the hips back for a little half monkey. Rock forward. Pause. Push the hips back, little half monkey. Take both knees together. Sink back to your child's pose. Do you want knees together this time? Do you want to go back to a wide child's pose? That's okay either way. Roll yourself up. Step your left foot further forward. Find the beginning of your lunge. Left hand to left thigh, right hand high. Rotate the fingers and lift up and over. Start to stretch. Do you want to stay here? Do you want to take your lunge a little deeper? For me, the more I push my hips nice and far forward, still lifting out of the waist, the bigger of a stretch I feel. And then eventually surround your foot with your hands, taking your lunge as deep or shallow as you like. It might feel good to just hinge back in the monkey, or you might take a little rock forward and back. Eventually bring both knees back together, return to your child's pose, big inhale, big breath out. Roll yourself up to a seat, and as always, give yourself a great big pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. Certainly hope you enjoyed our 10-minute barre class for inner and outer thighs, and I cannot wait to see you again.